So for problem number 29, they tell us that f of g of x is equal to 2 root 2x plus or minus 1. And then off to the side, they remind us that f of x was originally the square root of x plus 9. So if this is f of g of x, then I would go from f of x, and wherever there's an x, I would plug in g of x. Like that, right? And then when I would do that, it should look like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And they give us some options. And so what I would do probably is let's take this 2 and push it back into the radical. So 2, in order for me to pull a 2 out, that meant that it had to be a factor of what? In other words, 2 is the square root of what number?
4.
4. So what I would do is I would say, all right, this is the square root of 4 times the square root of 2x minus 1. Using the property of radicals, that means I could do one of these deals. Right? Could I do something like that?
Yeah.
Using the properties of exponents and radicals. And so then I'm going to distribute that 4 through. And I get 8x minus 8.
Whoa, why would you minus 8?
Or minus 4, I apologize. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm trying to figure out. Getting ahead of myself here. All right, so this would be minus 4. Okay? So I need to plug something in here for g of x that makes this equal
Oh,
that.
that's why it's...
Now, algebraically, what I could do is I could come in and let me use a different color here. I could do something like this. I could just say g of x plus 9 is equal to 8x minus 4. When I subtract 9 from both sides, I get that g of x is equal to 8x minus 13. Was that one of our options?
Yep.
There it is. Whoop, there it is.
Yay!
Okay? Does anybody have any questions on how I did that?
No.
Wasn't that on your last test or on the practice exam?
No.
I think it was.